Welcome to this video on comparison of Flutter with other mobile frameworks. After watching this video, you'll be able to identify common frameworks used to build mobile applications for iOS and Android, and describe the significance of the key factors for different mobile frameworks. You'll also be able to compare the different mobile frameworks based on the key factors across each framework. As an aspiring mobile application developer, it is important for you to learn the common frameworks that are used to build mobile applications for iOS and Android. With the knowledge of key factors for comparing different frameworks, you'll be able to compare frameworks and make informed decisions when choosing the right tool for your projects. To begin with, let's look at the common mobile development frameworks for developing applications for iOS and Android. These include Flutter, React Native, Xamarin, and Native Development. The most common cross-mobile development framework is Flutter. It is an open-source UI toolkit developed by Google. It is a free tool that helps developers build compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop using a single codebase. It uses the Dart programming language and provides many pre-designed widgets for a seamless development experience. Another framework, React Native, is developed by Facebook. It allows developers to build mobile applications using JavaScript and React. Developers can also reuse code across iOS and Android platforms. In addition, React Native relies on native components for rendering. Microsoft has also developed a common mobile framework called Xamarin. This framework allows developers to build mobile applications using C# and .NET. In addition, it provides a single codebase for iOS, Android, and Windows, and offers access to native APIs. Another way to develop mobile applications is to use the native frameworks for iOS and Android. This framework involves building applications specifically for iOS or Android using platform-specific languages and tools. To build applications for iOS, it uses Swift or Objective-C with Xcode, whereas for Android, it uses Kotlin or Java with Android Studio. Having gained familiarity with popular mobile development frameworks, let's look at the key comparison factors. To ensure you choose the right tool for your project, there are several key factors to consider. These include performance, development speed, code reusability, UI and customization, and community and ecosystem. Let's understand the significance of these key factors in detail. The first key factor is performance. Before selecting any framework for your application, evaluate how well the framework compiles and runs the application on various platforms. It's a good idea to look for frameworks that deliver performance close to native for smooth and responsive user experiences. For time-sensitive applications, focus on frameworks that handle near real-time events effectively. Development speed is the next key factor. Evaluate the tools and features provided by the framework that can accelerate the development process. For example, you can assess features such as hot reload, integrated development environments or IDEs, and pre-built components. Code reusability, or checking the extent of code reuse across different platforms, is also an important factor to compare frameworks. Frameworks that offer a single codebase for multiple platforms can significantly reduce development time and effort. In addition, considering the user interface or UI and customization has a significant impact on framework selection. Evaluate the framework in terms of flexibility and ease of customizing the user interface. Frameworks with extensive libraries of customizable widgets or components can help you create unique and engaging user experiences. Finally, it is important to look at the community and ecosystem aspects of framework. Evaluate the size and activity level of the framework's community, the availability of third-party packages and plugins, and the quality of documentation and support resources. Next, let's compare the mobile development frameworks in terms of these factors. Let's first compare in terms of performance. Flutter offers near-native performance because it compiles the application directly to native code using Dart's native compilers. React Native provides good performance but relies on a bridge between JavaScript and native code, which can introduce some overhead. Xamarin delivers near-native performance by compiling C# into native code, but it can have larger application sizes. Native Development offers the best performance as it leverages the full capabilities of the platform's native language and tools. When comparing mobile application frameworks in terms of the development speed, Flutter offers hot reload, allowing developers to see changes instantly without restarting the application, which speeds up the development process. React Native also supports hot reload, which enables quick iteration and development. Xamarin provides tools such as Xamarin.Forms, which enables rapid UI development and code sharing across platforms, by allowing the creation of a single UI codebase that can be used across multiple platforms. Native development is typically slower because it requires writing and maintaining separate codebases for iOS and Android. Proceeding further, in terms of the code reusability, Flutter allows for a single codebase to be used across multiple platforms such as iOS, Android, web, and desktop. React Native enables code reuse between iOS and Android, but often requires some platform-specific adjustments. Xamarin offers high code reusability with a single C# codebase for iOS, Android, and Windows. Native development requires separate code bases for each platform, resulting in low code reusability. While considering the UI and customization factor for framework development, Flutter uses a rich set of customizable widgets that adhere to material design and Cupertino standards, allowing for highly customized UIs. React Native leverages native components, which can limit customization but ensures a native look and feel. Xamarin allows for customized UIs using Xamarin.Forms or native UI design for more control. Native development provides the highest level of control over UI customization as it uses the platform's native design tools and components. Finally, in terms of the community and ecosystem, Flutter features a rapidly expanding community and comprehensive documentation, along with a wide range of available third-party packages. React Native includes a large community, a robust ecosystem, and numerous libraries and tools developed by both Facebook and third-party contributors. Xamarin is supported by Microsoft and has a strong developer community, which integrates well with Microsoft's development tools and services. Native development is backed by Apple and Google and provides strong resources and support, but with less community-driven innovation as compared to cross-platform frameworks. To conclude, each mobile framework has its strengths and is suited to different types of projects and developer preferences. Flutter is ideal for those seeking high performance, rapid development, and a single codebase across multiple platforms. React Native is ideal for developers familiar with JavaScript and React, who are looking for a balance between performance and development speed. Xamarin is suitable for developers in the Microsoft ecosystem wanting to leverage C# and .NET for cross-platform development. Native development is optimal for projects requiring the highest performance and deep integration with platform-specific features. This framework comparison will help you choose the right tool and framework for your next mobile application development project. In this video, you learned that the 4 common mobile development frameworks for iOS and Android are Flutter, React Native, Xamarin, and Native Development. Flutter is an open-source UI toolkit that enables developers to build natively compiled applications for mobile, web, and desktop from a single codebase. React Native allows developers to build mobile applications using JavaScript and React. Xamarin allows developers to build mobile applications using C# and .NET. Native development involves building applications specifically for iOS or Android using platform-specific languages and tools. You can compare these frameworks based on some key factors, which include performance, development speed, code reusability, UI and customization, and community and ecosystem.